Very good, Maya. That's it. Crescendo. Wrong note. Another color, like Hollywood sounds here somehow. Hollywood sounds. One, two, three, four. One, two. More sound, Luciano. You have some pretty strong players behind you here.
I know.
Don't let them overpower you.
Can we go from 12 again? Because before that was fine.
Yeah, well, it was good before. I think the harpsichord should possibly go back a tiny little bit. Maybe, because we're all slightly too close to the edge here. Should we do it now? We'll help you with it. Not now, okay.
From 12?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good idea.
12?
In the break, better.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
Not too fast. Okay, stop. We need to test. It's too fast. Yeah, it should be very menacing, dangerous.
3, 4.
Yeah, that's it. Fortissimo, fortissimo. Rhythm. Paya pa pa pa. Pa 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 ya ta ta tam pa 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 ya. Show. To make contact with it. Faster, at least, yeah. And then dim. No, tempo is fine. Their movement should be faster, a bit less. Colors and nuances. Yeah. Infinitely calm and sad theater.
There is
Lead.
1, 3, 4 at the beginning.
Super, yeah. The Baba for 20, do it to me, remember? The Baba for 20 should sound like this. 3, 4. Okay. That's it. Okay, but that's played it a few times, so that's why I know. But you have to take incredible control here and connect with bass and with Yuval, especially Yuval. Stretching here, stretching. Yeah, show it. Emma, that's you. No sound, sure. It's a sound. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.